Hello, my beautiful people. Hope you are all doing good today. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Nigerian pap, popularly called ogi or eko in Yoruba. Why the Igbo called it Akamu. Pap is a simple Nigerian breakfast made from fermented corn. So let's get right into the video. Get your dry corn ready. You can use yellow corn or white corn, but I'm using yellow corn for this recipe. Wash the dry corn thoroughly and soak in a cold water for 2 to 3 days. Do not refrigerate it so that fermentation will take place. And please don't let salt come in contact with the corn or the material you will use to process the akamu. Because if salt come in contact with the corn, the akamu will not thicken when you prepare it with hot water. On the second day, change the water, add another fresh water and wash it thoroughly for 2 to 3 times. After washing it, add another clean water and cover it till the third day. On the third day, repeat the same process. Wash it very well. After washing it, then it is time for blending. Add it into the blender little by little. Then add enough water and blend it smoothly. I'm done with the blending and this is the result. Get 2 empty bowls. One should contain clean water. Get your Chiffon cloth or Siever to sieve the Akamu. But I won't make use of the Siever because it has loose surface. I'll make use of the Chiffon cloth. Drape the Chiffon cloth over the bowl and tie it up. I tied my own with rubber band in order to hold it firmly. If your akamu is much, use a bigger bowl to accommodate the akamu. Start sieving the blended akamu. Add water to it little by little till you are left with only the shaft. Repeat this process until you finish sieving all the akamu. When you are done, take off the Chiffon cloth and leave the akamu overnight so that the akamu will have the classic sour taste. Do not refrigerate and do not cover it tightly. The next day, drain the clear water on top of the akamu away. It will remain the akamu paste. Then your akamu is ready to consume. For storage, portion them into smaller size and put them in a nylon or small container. Store them in the fridge or freezer. If you are going to consume it within 7 days, store it in the fridge. If you don't have a refrigerator, leave it inside the bowl, add water to it, but make sure you change water every day till you finish it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and